Keep petting me. Keep petting me. Yeah, yeah, keep petting me. Who's at the door? Who's at the door? Who's at the door? Who's at the door? Who's at the door?
A little girl did go in there with one of the dogs. Maybe you did see earlier.
I'm going after it. Fine. I won't.
You want to pet Grandma.
No. No, no, I don't care.
You don't want to wake
Don't
up
pet me.
Grandma.
What are you doing? Don't pet me. Let that old man pet me. Why is everyone so quiet?
Because you said to be. Can we talk now?
No. Hi, person. The shoes. And the hat. Hi, lady.
Well,
Glasses.
hello there. Hi.
Hey, Lolo, do you think they'll get a kick out of
Ha,
this
ha,
picture?
Yes, I wish you'd send them now.
Okay.
Hi, lady with glasses.
Hi there,
You
puppy.
kidding me?
You're
Yeah.
so cute. You're
Yeah.
brown. I'll pet you. You have big eyes. I
Duh,
love
I
your
have big eyes.
and you've got beautiful whiskers and beautiful
I
nose.
have big eyes since that's why I don't wear glasses.
Oh, you got good eyes.
And my- and
You're
my
quite
nose.
handsome.
And
Thank you.
I like cheese.
Do you like to bite people?
I like cheese.
Do you
I
like to
like
bite
cheese.
people's heads off?
Want taco?
You like tacos?
Want taco?
Taco.
Want
Taco
taco?
Bell. Yo
Want ta-
quiero.
You want
Did you
taco?
see they're redoing the Taco Bell by my house? It's all, I mean, it's nothing's inside. They're redoing the whole thing.
Good. They
What
need to.
taco? What's Taco Bell? You want taco?
You want a taco?
You want
I
taco?
like tacos. I'm a dog
Want
that
taco
likes
from Taco
tacos.
Bell? Do you know Taco Bell's? I like Del Taco more than Taco Bell. Don't hug me. Stop petting me. Just stop.
No, I
Stop.
can't.
Stop.
I love
Stop.
you. You
Stop.
are so soft
Stop.
to me.
You want taco? I'll shove the taco right over your face. You want taco?
No taco.
You can talk.
Oh, I can talk real loud. I can't. Grandma's sleeping.
I'm done making the dog thing.
You go.
Okay, pretty much that was my dog talking now. Telling in this video the whole talking dog, and that was my aunt and that was my uncle. Sorry if I hurt my uncle's feeling when I said old man. Don't be a baby about it.
Ain't nobody crying over here. What you talking about? I'm not crying. I'm a man. Oh, well, don't even say it. Don't even go over there.
And this pretty much was this is a dog. Say hi.
Make him
You
talk,
want taco?
Make him talk cool like this way.
I'm swag. You want swaggy? You want to be swag?
Yeah, I want to be.
Who's at the door?
Don't wake up Grandma.
Who's at the door? Who's at it? Who's at it? See, that's what he talks. Who's at the door? This is so boring. What is the camera doing? Yeah, he talks. This will be called Talkie Dog. Bye.